outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a Christmas haul, and let's just get right into it. To start off, I'm going to show you guys all of the clothes I got. First, one of the small things I got this year is this sock that just has this dog, and it says Wheaton on it, and honestly don't know what that means, but my grandparents gave it to me. And then I have these panda fuzzy socks with this purple heart and this little purple trim on the top. Super soft and cute. And then I have these two basic turtlenecks in black and white from American Eagle. And I really like how these fit, and so I'm really happy with these basics. Then I have this choir sweatshirt for my school, as I do show choir. And this is a pretty thick sweatshirt, and thick sweaters are always good for the winter, which is still ongoing, sadly. And then here I have these American Eagle baggy joggers, and they're pretty much just black carpenter pants. They have like fun pockets, and I'm excited to wear this because I think it has a cute fit to it. They're a little long on me since I'm short and I didn't get the short one, but honestly I think it'll be fine. And then lastly for this section, I have this Victoria's Secret bra, and this is just good to have, of course. Now let's move on into the accessory category. So I got this the day after Christmas, actually I don't know, I got this right after Christmas though. And these are just little bows from American Eagle because I've been wanting to wear bows lately, and these are just helpful to have so I don't have to tie them myself. Girl's lazy, but these are really cute for a lot of outfits, and I'm really excited about those. And also I forgot to mention, but this sweatshirt is also part of the clothing category, and it's just this Gap sweatshirt that I got at the outlet for a really good deal. So go to outlet stores, guys. Moving on, I got these rings from my aunt. So thank you to anyone who got me anything in this video, of course. And they're really simple and cute. I'm excited to use these because I don't wear rings often, but maybe I will now. And then my mom got me these earrings from American Eagle. Simple and cute. Coquette vibes this year, guys. Coquette with the bow and this. I also got these earrings from my mom again, and these are the second earrings that are missing in this pack that I'm already wearing. And another part of this category that I got as a present is this card that says get a second ear piercing, and so I got that done today. So that is really exciting because I've been wanting that for forever, and I'm so happy I got it. Here I have another necklace that I got. It just has my initial K, Caitlin. I also got this necklace as a part of that gift, and it just goes really well with that necklace because it came in the same pack, and it's also cute to wear on its own like I am right now. Last but not least for this category, I got this name necklace and bracelet. Now I'm going to be moving on into the makeup category. This year I got 3 makeup items. I used them all today. They're really good for just everyday makeup. I would recommend every one of them, honestly, but I do have something to say about one of them, so just wait. Here's the e.l.f. Halo Glow, and I've seen so many videos about this and I've been wanting it. I'm wearing it today. It's the end of the day, it's probably all melted off, but at the beginning of the day I really it looked good, so trust me. This is good for if you just want a glowy base. Charlotte Tilbury dupe. Here I have this Milani clear lip oil. I've been wanting a clear lip gloss or a lip oil for a while now, and I love the Milani lip products, so I got this. Last but not least, I got Benetint. I've been wanting this for forever because I love lip tints, and I've been using the Ulta ones for a while. Honestly, I think they perform pretty similarly. If you're interested in getting this but want a cheaper option, I would definitely recommend those. But I do like this, and I do think it lasts on my lips for a pretty long time. Plus, I got this on Black Friday, so it's a deal, and it works, so can't say no to that, of course. And for the self-care section, I got this EOS lotion, and I used this the night of Christmas or the day after, and I got like a little rash looking thing on my skin. So hopefully it's not from this, because I love the smell of it, and it does feel moisturizing, so I would recommend it for anyone, but hopefully I'm not recommending you something that gave me a rash. Beside the EOS lotion, I also got this Bath & Body Works Snowflakes and Cashmere body scrub. I love the Tree Hut scrubs, and I'm so excited to try this. The scent is really awesome too, so I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for a scent to try by Bath & Body Works. Snowflakes and Cashmere, try it. Lastly, one of the bigger sections I'm going into is the miscellaneous category. First, I have these smiley slippers. A lot of you, if you like the stuff I like, and you've probably seen these before, they're just these slippers with a smiley on them. Cute and good to have for the house. And then I have this Stanley, and it is a flip straw tumbler, which is like the style of it. And it's a good size if you're looking for a Stanley that isn't huge, because in my opinion, I don't love those. But this one is really cute, so I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a nice quality water bottle that is also adorable. I'm not really sure if you can tell in this lighting, but this light pink and this cream is really pretty. And then I have $15 from a little scavenger hunt I do with my family each year, where my mom just hides some gifts and me and my siblings look for the gifts, and it's a surprise on what you get. Then I have this monkey keychain. It's Puffkin's brand. Never heard of it, but it's really cute, so need to use that somewhere. Here I have this chrome nail powder. This is to do those chrome nails that I've seen all over Pinterest, and I think they're adorable. But pretty much it's just this chrome powder that you can put on your nails to make them chrome and like metallic looking. Really cute in my opinion, and I'm excited to try making some cool nail designs with this. And then I got this Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume, not the mist. I've already had the mist and I really like it, so I asked for the perfume this year. It's definitely something I'm really happy to have, and I think it's a good scent for like every day if you're wanting to smell fresh and smelling good, you know? If you get it, you get it. I also got this Bear Paw shoe and this Victoria's Secret Rollerball perfume. And then last but not least, I have some chocolates that I'm not gonna go through and show, but chocolate is always great to have. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!